My name is Francis Gomez Quinayas. This is the bilingual education in Colombia. Of course, Colombian education and bachelor degree in foreign language with emphasis in English 2023. Okay. It is clear that when talking about bilingualism, people focus on the Spanish and English language. However, we must recognize that English is a language that is used practically throughout the world, and we do not take a look at the indigenous native languages of our country, which today are recognized as Colombian heritage. A very big example that we have is when we teach a foreign language class and we do not take into account that we must first know our culture, and as a student many of us do not know anything about our aboriginal language and what their idioms are and the importance they have in our country. The answer about question how for bilingual education programs and for priority language speakers in Colombia today are actively helping towards the creation of the more understanding and more tolerant society, and not only providing a way to better jobs and higher standard of living for their graduates. And okay, I think the bilingual education programs, in addition to teaching other languages, teach how we should treat other people and how to focus on a different society, a different culture, and to be able to educate ourselves as better people and about the development of a country, or above all, the imagine. It is not only learning a different language, it is also different cultures which make us reflect and appreciate what is not. Okay, thank you. This is all for today. Thank you. Bye.